Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a recipient in Wise. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is we select right here on the left, we go to recipients, and then you see right here, add your people near and far. So then from now we select add recipient, and then he will send us right here first of all to the currency. So select their currency. So I want to send money to the United States, for example. We select right here US dollars. And then we can search on Wise for his or her account with entering the Wise tag email, phone number, or business name. But we can also just add a bank detail from here. So let's do someone else. And then we fill in right here their email. And then you can select right here US bank account or Swift option. Now let's do right here the Swift. And then we fill in the full name of the account holder, the IBAN, the Swift or BIC code, and then the country. Then we do continue from here. And then you just added this person to your recipients. Right now, everything is red. So I couldn't add this recipient to my list. But if you fill in everything correctly, you will definitely add this contact to your recipients list. So that's very important to know, and this is how you can add recipients in Wise. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.